Have you ever wondered who the first Englishman to circumnavigate the globe was? The answer is none other than Sir Francis Drake. Born around the year 1540 in Tavistock, Devon, England, young Drake was introduced early to the vast and unpredictable world of seafaring. His maritime experiences were enriched by privateering, a form of state-sanctioned piracy against enemy vessels. It was in these tumultuous waters that Drake found his calling. Driven by the spirit of adventure and exploration, Drake was destined for great things. In 1577, Drake embarked on what would become his most renowned voyage. On board the Golden Hind, he set sail from England with a singular mission: to circumnavigate the globe. It was an expedition teeming with adventure, from fierce battles with the Spanish to intriguing encounters with indigenous peoples. Drake and his crew charted unexplored territories, pushing the boundaries of the known world. The voyage was not without its perils, but Drake's leadership and courage saw them through each challenge. After 3 years at sea, they returned to England in 1580, their ship laden with treasures and tales of far-off lands. Drake's triumphant return was met with celebration. He was hailed as a national hero, a man who had taken on the world and emerged victorious. To commemorate his extraordinary feat, Queen Elizabeth bestowed upon him the honor of knighthood. Drake's circumnavigation was not only a feat of navigation, but also a demonstration of English naval power and courage. But Drake's achievements weren't confined to the sea. His influence was also felt on land, particularly in the realm of politics. Sir Francis Drake served as the mayor of Plymouth, demonstrating leadership and strategic acumen. His political accomplishments, however, were overshadowed by his pivotal role in the defeat of the Spanish Armada in 1588, a victory that solidified England's naval dominance. Drake's influence extended from the seas to the political sphere, making him a true Renaissance man. Drake's death in 1596 didn't mark the end of his story. His tale was far from over. Indeed, the controversy surrounding his privateering activities was only beginning. Some of England's European rivals branded him a pirate, a rogue, a menace. But was he really? Or was he merely a man of his time, navigating the murky waters of politics, power, and national interest? Drake was a privateer, yes, but he was also a navigator, a politician, an explorer. His actions, whether deemed heroic or villainous, were driven by a profound sense of duty to his queen and country. And it was this dedication that elevated him from mere sailor to national icon. His legacy, a symbol of naval prowess and exploration in English history. His exploits on the high seas continue to captivate us. His spirit of adventure continues to inspire us. Sir Francis Drake, a man of many talents and a true pioneer, left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire explorers and adventurers today.